How to see who viewed your Instagram story. So if you want to see who viewed your Instagram story, then first of all open up your Instagram application. And after opening, if you have already added a story, then you can go to your story, which is on the upper left corner. But if you have not added it, then you can simply tap on the middle icon, which is on the bottom. And then from here you can choose story, and then you can add your story. For now I have already added a story, so go to the upper left corner which says your story. And now if you want to see who viewed your story, then on the bottom left corner you will have an icon which says activity. You can tap on that, and here you will have viewers. So this is how you can see who viewed your Instagram story. This is the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.